Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change wallpaper desktop on Windows 11. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Changing the wallpaper in Windows is one of the best ways to customize the desktop. Adding new wallpaper to the desktop is like decorating your bathroom, and a visual appealing desktop background will help make your Windows PC shine. There are various ways to change the desktop background in Windows. And in this video, I will show you how to do it, how to change the wallpaper desktop or desktop background on your PC or laptop. So first, you can open your Start in here, Windows, and you can go to Settings. From Settings, in here, you can see there's a Personalize your device. Here you can personalize the background, desktop background on your Windows. You can just choose maybe this one, and your Windows desktop will turn out like this with the dynamic picture on your PC, or you can just choose this one, or maybe this one, and you can choose in here too. It turns out like this. Or maybe if you want to use your own image that you have on your PC or laptop, you can just open the choose on the picture that you want to use as the background desktop. Maybe for the example, you want to set this picture. You can just click right on the picture, and there is an option set as a desktop background. You can just click on that, and it will turns out like this. So cool, right? I have another, if you have another picture, maybe this one. So simple, right? So that is how to change wallpaper desktop on your PC or laptop on Windows 11. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!